India is standing at the edge of a biotech revolution, and one of the most promising frontiers is cancer gene therapy, a powerful innovation that modifies human genes to cure or prevent cancer at the root level. Now imagine this. Instead of undergoing months of painful chemotherapy, a patient receives a one-time genetic treatment that directly targets mutated cancer-causing genes. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening now, and India is getting ready. With rising cancer cases, an increasing focus on personalized medicine, and new government incentives in biotech, this space offers massive potential for both medical impact and business opportunity. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step blueprint on how to start a cancer gene therapy business in India. Let's dive deep into one of the most high-impact healthcare ventures of our time. We'll cover in this video: target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning and cost estimation, funding and investment options, profit margin, company incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documentation, strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Let's dive deep into one of the most high-impact healthcare ventures of our time. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. When starting a gene therapy venture, knowing your audience is key. Your primary customers will include cancer patients, especially those with hereditary mutations, hospitals and oncology clinics, doctors, oncologists and genetic counselors, medical tourism agencies, for international patients, pharma distributors and insurance providers. Segment them based on cancer types, affordability, and access to advanced healthcare systems. Market research and analysis. The global cancer gene therapy market was valued at over $5.02 billion in 2024, and it's growing at a CAGR of nearly 19.13%. India's market is still in its early stages, estimated to reach Rs2 500 crore by 2030. Drivers include growing awareness of genetic testing, favorable government policies through BIRAC and DBT, low competition among Indian startups, high demand for personalized treatment models. If you act now, you can capture first-mover advantage. Marketing and sales strategy. Marketing in this space isn't about mass advertising. It's about trust and credibility. Here's how. Partner with oncologists and cancer hospitals. Organize medical webinars and awareness programs. Run educational blogs on genetic health use. LinkedIn, SEO, and medical forums for B2B outreach. Build a strong online presence for both Indian and international leads. Sales models can include direct B2B hospital tie-ups, licensing to diagnostic labs, B2C services like genetic test kits. Financial planning and cost estimation. Let's talk numbers. Starting a cancer gene therapy business isn't cheap, but the ROI can be enormous. Your major cost components: R&D and lab setup, Rs1, 5 to 3 crore clinical trials, Rs5 to 12 crore marketing and branding, Rs25 to 40 lakhs staff and biotech experts, Rs60 to 100 lakhs total startup cost, anywhere between Rs8 crore to Rs17 crore depending on your scale. Funding and investment options. Don't let costs scare you, because there are powerful funding avenues available. Government schemes like BIRAC's BIG, Biotech Ignition Grant, Startup India, Seed Fund TDB, Technology Development Board, grants private options. Angel investors focused on Healthtech venture capitalists in biotech CSR partnerships with corporates, crowdfunding for clinical trials. You can also license your technology globally for recurring revenue. Profit margin. Now here's the exciting part: profit margins. Though you'll run in losses during R&D, once clinical trials succeed, post-approval margins can reach 40 to 60% IP-based licensing, and patents offer long-term recurring profits. Global exports can multiply earnings exponentially. Company incorporation and legal compliance. To operate legally in India, here's what you need to do. 1. Register as a private limited company. 2. Get approvals from CDSCO and ICMR. 3. Apply for Ethics Committee clearance. 4. File for gene therapy patents or IP. 5. Comply with clinical trial guidelines and biosafety laws. Having a solid legal advisor in biotech is highly recommended. Supporting documentation. Here's the document checklist you'll need to get started. A detailed business plan, clinical trial protocols and researcher profiles, ethics and biosafety approvals, 5-year financial projections, IP filings and licenses, legal docs, MOA, GST, PAN, etc. Strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Starting a gene therapy business in India can be complex, but you don't have to do it alone. At Market Research Universe, we help entrepreneurs build biotech and healthcare ventures with confidence. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation. Our solution, MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy and business planning platform, and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform. We are your strategic launch partner in biotech success. If you're ready to revolutionize cancer care in India, let's make it happen together.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.